Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out yet another one of my videos. As you guys seen that little clip right there at the beginning, I got the 302 up off of the floor, back on the engine stand. That's where it used to sit all the time until I pulled the engine out of this thing right here. But I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with this thing, guys. If any of you guys got any kind of suggestions, you know, I'm open, so just drop them down below in the comment section. Just remember now, I am a budget guy, so this thing will be built on a budget. And I got some friends of mine that own a machine shop. I'm gonna get up with them and see what I'll need to do, but I want to build this engine myself. I've never built an engine myself. I've helped people assemble them, you know, things like that, change heads, things, you know, just the basic stuff. But it'd be cool to be able to build one myself. But I want to get up with them and see what it will cost to be able to have the block board out, you know, all that good stuff. So if you have any kind of suggestions, drop it down in the comments below. Like I said, guys, keep in mind now, this will be a budget build. So if we put heads on it, more likely we'll probably get like GT40s off Explorer or something like that. Just not going to be real expensive. So like I said, you got any suggestions to where we can actually squeeze some horsepower, say, you know, go ahead and board this thing 30 over, drop them down below. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. So that is the plan for that thing right there. It's going to sit right there for right now. I may pull it out here soon and start tearing it down. Now the engine did run, trust me. I bought the car, the 86 GT, the same day I bought this car right here. Matter of fact, this car has the T5 that was in the 86, because this one had a world class and third was gone in it. I still have the transmission over at my parents' place. So the T5 out of 86 is in this car. I went ahead and pulled the motor, got everything I need off the 86, and ended up selling the body to a buddy of mine. But I paid like 200 bucks for the 86. Just didn't have no title. Front windshield was missing. That's really the only thing that was wrong with the car. But it donated a lot of parts to this car right here, because there's some parts missing on this car when I got it. But we have been doing a little bit of work to the Demon, guys. Try not to bore you guys with the little small tedious work. I know it's not really that interesting, so that's why I try to come out here and do that stuff off camera, of course, so I can go ahead and just knock it on out, really. But I got the splash guards in. I know it's hard for you guys to see them, but this side right here, it was a pain in the butt, guys, because I have the wire tuck going up there, of course, and it's right up against the wire tuck. Now I'm gonna reroute this vacuum line right here. Like I said, I know you guys can't see, but there's a vacuum line runs right down through there and goes to the blow off. So I think what I'm gonna do is reroute it, have it come out of the engine bay down on that side of the frame rail, and then up that way to the blow off. It'll look a whole lot better right there without that there. So this splash guard right here is in, guys. It was a pain in the butt, trust me. That right there was a freaking nightmare, to be honest with you. But this side right here, I actually got it up as far as it could possibly go, and I had to end up drilling a hole right there where you see that little plastic Christmas tree pushed in right there, and right here where my finger is, I had to drill a hole right there so I can put one right there. Now right here goes our little vent tube for the wastegate. It's still right there, but this side's in also. It's tight up against the wiring that I got tucked away right in here. As you see right there, there's a little bulge actually. I'm actually worried about the tire rubbing that, but that ain't really but one way to find out. Right here is the piping going to the intake, to the throttle body right there. I can actually see it. So that made it kind of difficult on this side right here. Other than that, that's really all I had to do. It probably could have went up maybe another, I'd say probably about another ½ an inch, and it would have been back in factory location. But I just drilled a hole there and drilled a hole there, guys. Pushed it up tight and put some new Christmas trees in there. And it actually turned out real good. So the splash guards are in. Like I said, it was a little bit of a pain to put in, guys, but those are in. Now I do have one issue so far. I don't know if you guys can see right down there. You see that right there where my finger is? That right there is agua. So I am leaking water from somewhere. So that's my first problem that I've seen so far. And the only place I know it could be coming from has got to be right here. Either the water pump or around the timing chain cover, because it's leaking onto this DEI and then dripping on the floor. So yeah, got to check that out, see what's going on with that. But that's my first issue that I've seen so far as leaks go. So I'll climb up underneath there tomorrow and see what's going on. But no working on the Red Demon tonight. I just want to come out here and touch bases with you guys. Like I said, get you guys' opinion on the 302. What should I do with the 86 motor? I'm thinking 30 over, some GT40 heads, you know, a little small cam. Like I said, I don't want nothing real nasty because I still want the car to be streetable. So, you know, like I said, a good budget, friendly 302 built. That's what I plan on doing on that motor right there. And like I said, have it for backup. Because like I said, guys, before, there is no telling how many miles is on this little 302 right here. Oh, and by the way, also, I'm about to forget, I do got some covers for the wires also. I already got this side of here, of course, because that side there is easy to do. But yeah, got them right there. eBay, of course, they're supposed to be rated for 2,500 degrees, but you know, who knows. But they went on there real good, no problem. That side over there, I'm gonna put these on, of course, but my main concern on this side right here is the wires. The wires is right there on that exhaust coming out the back of that turbo. So that's the reason why I hadn't done this side yet. But I've already done put these 4 on over here, and they look really good. They turned out real nice, and they wasn't that expensive, of course. Like I said, guys, I am a budget man. You know, shoot me. Anyway, I need to figure out where the water's coming from, guys. Address that issue. And like I said, I just wanted to get you guys input on what I should possibly do to the 302 over there. Because it's always been in the back of my mind, really, the whole time I've been working on this car. You know, what should I do with that engine right there? Should I build it, leave it the way it is for a backup or something? I don't know. So, you know, we'll see what happens. But I do know this, I am having laptop issues. So I'm sure this video right here is probably causing me to say a few choice words while I'm editing this thing. So I got to get that straightened out. If not, I got to get a new computer or something. I don't know what's going on with my computer, guys. And I guess I'm going to have to get a USB to serial cable. Get me another one. Because my laptop is not picking up the cable that's going to the micro squirt. So I'm having a laptop issue, guys. And I got to figure out if that's the issue, reason why it's not communicating, or if it's the cable itself. So I still got a few things I'm still trying to get worked out, guys, but right now I'm still trying to just get some of the small stuff done. That way when we do get ready to get all the other issues like that worked out, we'll be ready to go, you know, pretty much. As you see, we still got to get the car on the ground. So, you know, still got a lot of work left to do on the Red Demon, guys. So make sure you continue watching the channel. The weather's getting nicer. It's getting beautiful outside. Spring's coming. So I'll be able to get out here and work on the car a little bit more. But I appreciate you guys coming by, checking out this video. Like I said, drop me a comment down below, guys. Budget build on the 302. What do you think I should do? So, appreciate you stopping by, checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said, drop that comment. Don't forget to do that, guys. I appreciate it if you consider subscribing to the channel. I sure appreciate that. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next video, guys, because there's no telling what we'll be doing. I'll see you guys then.